Hello, my friend. Let me ask you something honest. When you think about speaking English, do you feel excited or do you feel like hiding under your blanket forever? I know the answer because I used to feel the same way. But today, I want to show you something that will change you. This story will show you that your normal day at home, the one you think is boring, is actually full of moments to think less and speak more. I am going to teach you how to see these moments and use them. This episode is about your day at home. Not a perfect day, not a special day, just a regular day. Because that is where real English lives. It's in your morning coffee, your evening routine, and the small conversations with your family. Today, you will learn how to talk about all of these moments in natural, confident English, and you will realize something important. You do not need to travel or go to fancy places to practice. Your home is enough. So let us start where every day starts. The morning. That beautiful, terrible moment when your alarm rings and reality says hello. You know that feeling, right? 1 second you are sleeping peacefully, maybe dreaming about something nice. The next second, that alarm sound attacks your ears and your brain screams, "No, please, not yet." And what do? You reach for your phone, you hit the snooze button, and you tell yourself, just 5 more minutes. But 5 minutes becomes 10, 10 becomes 20, and suddenly you're late and your day starts with stress. Let me tell you something, my friend. This happens to everyone. You are not lazy, you are not broken, you are just human. And humans need time to wake up. So here's what I learned. Instead of fighting with yourself, try something different. When your alarm rings, don't just judge yourself. Take one deep breath. Open your eyes slowly and look at the ceiling. Then tell yourself, okay, today is a new chance. That's all. No big pressure. Just one small, kind thought. Now, let's turn this into English practice. Instead of just feeling tired, say it out loud. I feel so groggy this morning. Groggy means confused and sleepy, like your brain is still half asleep. You can also say, I always struggle to get out of bed, or mornings are hard for me. These sentences are honest and natural. They turn your thoughts into spoken English. They help you think less and speak more. After you finally sit up in bed, what happens next? Maybe you check your phone and start scrolling. Suddenly, 5 minutes of scrolling turns into 30 minutes. Your mind feels heavy and you start comparing your life to others. This is a very common problem. When you start your day by looking at other people's lives, you forget to look at your own. You forget what makes you happy, what makes you calm. So here's a small challenge. Tomorrow morning, before you touch your phone, do something just for you. Maybe drink a glass of water and say, I'm starting my day with a glass of water. Maybe you stretch for a minute and say, I like to stretch before I check my phone. Or decide to say, I will try to avoid my phone for the first 10 minutes. These are great sentences because they describe your habits and your feelings. You are turning your actions into spoken English. Let's move forward in the day. After your morning routine, you start your daily tasks. Maybe you work from home, study, or take care of your family. As the hours pass, your energy drops and your mind feels tired. And then, finally, the evening comes. You hear the door close, or you notice the sun is going down. Something changes inside you. Your body says, okay, we made it. We survived another day. This moment is so important, my friend. It is the moment when you come back to yourself. All day long, you were busy, but now you are home. You are in your own space, and you have a choice. You can collapse on the sofa, or you can create a small evening ritual to help you transition from work mode to rest mode. When you get home, do one simple thing that signals to your brain, the hard part is over. Now it is time to relax. For some, this means changing clothes. As you do it, say it. I'm changing into my comfortable clothes. Immediately, your shoulders drop and your mind starts to calm down. For others, it's taking off their shoes. The moment your feet touch the floor, you feel free. For me, I like to wash my face with cool water. It feels like I'm washing away the stress of the day. Then I make a cup of tea, not because I'm thirsty, but because holding something warm makes me feel safe. What about you? What small action makes you feel finally home? Think about it, and then practice saying it in English. Now, let's talk about something very important: the people in your home. Maybe you live with your parents, your partner, your children, or your friends. Or maybe you live alone but call someone every evening. Whoever they are, these people are part of your daily life. Sometimes they are the best part, sometimes the hardest part, because relationships are complicated, right? But here's what I learned. Even on hard days, spending time with the people you love is valuable. It doesn't need to be a long conversation. Maybe you sit together at dinner. Maybe you just ask one question: how was your day? This is called quality time, and quality time is intentional time. You choose to be there, to pay attention, to care. In English, you can say, "I enjoy having dinner with my family," or "spending time together helps us stay connected." You can even say, "Even when I am tired, I try to be present with my loved ones." Present means being mentally and emotionally there. Finally, after all the social time, you get some time alone. This is your personal time, your quiet time. This is when you recharge and reconnect with yourself. For some, it's reading a book. For others, it's listening to a podcast. Or maybe it's a hobby like drawing, baking, or doing yoga. Whatever it is, make sure you do it. Don't skip it because you're too busy. Personal time is not selfish, it is necessary. It is how you stay healthy and creative. In English, you can say, "I need personal time to recharge," or "hobbies are important for my mental health." Let me share something with you. I used to feel guilty about taking personal time. I thought I should always be productive. But then I realized if I don't take care of myself, I cannot take care of anyone else. So now I protect my personal time, and you should not apologize for it either, my friend. Before we finish, I want to leave you with one last thought. Home is not just a place, it is a feeling of safety, of belonging, of being enough exactly as you are. And I hope this channel, Fluent English Stories, can be a part of your home, a place where you feel welcome and encouraged to grow. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today, my friend. I hope you learned something useful and feel more confident. And I hope you feel more grateful for your beautiful, ordinary, extraordinary daily life. Take care of yourself, be kind to yourself, and I will see you in the next story. Goodbye.